I find this to be the most productive conference we attend all year long. This is by far the best conference that we attend or sponsor over the course of any given year.
The top 5 countries globally in government spending in R&D.
There are some ideas that we can try out in my own organization too. So to that extent, yes, there are some very good ideas that have come up.
I think this is the business side, which is the money side, and everybody knows where the money has to come from.
Strong networking opportunity, good food, and great location. I enjoy it. I think it's a great event. Actually, I come to IPBC at almost every event.